Hi, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and today I want to review with you this new Spot carpet cleaner. It has been so awesome. You ready to see all it can do? Let's go. So this is the little green cordless. And I know it's not green, but the other one that has a cord from Bissell is green. So I got this one because it didn't have a cord, and I was a little skeptical on how powerful it would be, but I have been pleasantly surprised. Like, it's got some good suction. All right, now that you're in here a little closer, let me take this apart and kind of break it down for you. So this is the dirty water tank. You just pull it up like this. The top pulls off. There you can see, and then it just easily goes back on. I will say I would not recommend leaving dirty water in there. It will make it stink. And then this is the freshwater tank. The one thing that I do really like is that if you are doing a small area, it tells you how much to fill. And then a large area, again, I wouldn't recommend leaving water in here for too long. And then you just stick that right in there. This is the hose that sucks all the water up. Got your brush. It sprays from under here. There's the little lever right there that will spray the solution, and then you can scrub and suck it up. And then right here, tell you what your battery's at. You turn it on, and it does have two options for suction. You can see that one's not quite as strong. You can turn that off. I have used this quite a bit, and I'm noticing that the battery has a fairly decent life on it. And then this is the charging cord. To charge it, you just stick it back here in this hole and then plug it in. And again, it does charge fairly quickly too. I have been really pleasantly surprised. And then for cleaner, I like to stick with Bissell. I feel like it does a better job. So this is just the spot and stain, and we'll add water in here, some of this, and let's test it out. Oh, I forgot to mention, okay, so there is this cap right here that goes on the clean water tank so that when you flip it upside down, it doesn't spill. So I've got my water in here now. Just flip it over, then stick it down in there like that. All right, we've got the cordless Bissell here. There is no cord attached. So I'll just turn it on. And then we've got the stain right here. Spray it. And I just let it sit for a minute and then just kind of scrub it and suck the water back up. And it may take a few times. You can see though how good that is sucking all that water up. Look, just like that, it's gone. It works great on couches too. My dogs have done a number to this couch. This is the thing that's so nice. It's just so easy and portable. I don't have to worry about a cord. Just turn it on. looks so much better. No more dirty dog prints.